Hi, good morning. My name is Bolaji Ogidon. I'm the founder of GrantQuest. GrantQuest is a no-code web app designed with Bolt. GrantQuest helps students to secure fully funded scholarship opportunities and connect directly with professors. Currently, these are the featured programs on GrantQuest, which students can apply for. Then we also have the ongoing application on GrantQuest with their deadlines, which students can achieve the opportunities to apply for them. The idea behind GrantQuest is to make it easier for graduate students, to find the right academic matches and funding options. In recent times, it has been noticed a lot of graduate students waste a lot of time trying to reach out to professors, trying to see if they are currently offering scholarships. GrantQuest has bridged the gap between students trying to locate professors offering grants at some particular point. GrantQuest has been able to create total list of professors looking for students, then offering scholarship. Students can easily find schools offering scholarship on the platform. So currently, we have total of 3 scholarship found. Now, when I expand my searches, I have 5 scholarships available, which gives students privilege of applying to the scholarship. All what the student needs to do is just to click the apply button. Once this is done, the scholarship will be notified to the professors that a student has been trying to reach out. Then our platform also include a student profile section as well. We also have a student profile section where students can showcase their credentials and a dedicated professor section to make connection seamless. For example, this is a chemistry student. The student has been able to connect with 15 professors, then has made 8 saved scholarship searches, then has also submitted 12 applications. Then students also have the privilege to view the number of saved scholarship which has been done. We also have the email update which a student can set to receive current updates regarding the scholarship. If a student doesn't want to visit the site continuously, the student can receive the email update. We offer a subscription model that gives students access to professors and available funding based on their subscription. Payment are handled securely through revenue cards. Then we also have the section for the professors where students can view the professors they would like to connect with. They can easily contact the professors, then they can easily learn more about the professor based on the student department. This is all about GrandQuest. Thank you for now.